Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here After Effects packs, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherry.com. Just one-time payment for access of my all file. And here my other store for developers. Okay. Before after social media video, and here cyberlord third digital opener, fashioner reel, and Instagram reels. Okay, here a preview video. First open this. You can import your video or photo here. Easy to customize. Okay, and next. Here style transmission. You can put your own title or text video. Next cyberlord, right? Okay. And here digital opener. iPhone. Next fashion reel. Instagram reel. Vertical. And here main project files of Adobe After Effects CC 2023, 22, 21 and 2020 fashion reel with video tutorial. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.